Okay, I am very much in a rush right now, so this is really crazy that I decided to just sit down and start recording this video. But I have about 30 minutes to get ready, and I have cornrows right now, as you can see, because I was wearing this wig earlier this week. This is kind of like a little challenge video to see how cute I can get my hair in 30 minutes, because I have to be at my friend's house in Atlanta at 6:30. She lives 30 minutes away from me. It's 5:30 now. Not to mention I need to like pick out my outfit, like what coat I'm gonna wear. I don't know. Anyways, I felt like this was just the perfect time to record a video because I'm gonna show you guys what I do when I am super pressed for time. Okay, I'm gonna go fix this little situation we have here and then put my wig on. This is one of my favorite hairstyles so far. This is only my second wig. The last wig that I did was a V-part wig, which is exactly how it sounds. It has a little V part at the top and you just straighten your natural hair, kind of like a leave-out weave. I loved the V part. I feel like it looked very real and it was really easy to put on too. I just had to take time to straighten the top. The one thing I didn't like about it though was that I had to apply some heat to my hair. I had to straighten like my bangs and the top of my hair. I just feel like the point of a protective style is to protect your hair from stuff like that. So this one that I have today is a headband wig. It's also from Julia Hair, which is the one I did last time. I love it. I've worn it once already. I actually wore it to Thanksgiving and my family loved it. It's down to my butt, just fair warning. 30-inch body wave human headband wig. So, okay, I'm talking so much like I don't have anywhere to be. Okay, let's start. Oh yeah, my nail. I'll be right back. Okay, I just had to super glue my nail back on. You can't tell though, right? No, you can't tell. Okay, so here is the wig. She looked a lot better when I first got it out of the bag. But this is fine, this is an easy fix. All it means is that I'll probably have to spray a little water on the ends to just flatten the curls out. But yeah, this is like the natural texture of the wig. And then it has this little band for you to put on. All you need for this wig are braids or, I don't know, slick it back in a bun or something. And I'm not even gonna pin my braids up. I'm just gonna put this wig cap directly on. And yeah, I think I'll be fine. By the way, I braided my hair down the night before, so I wouldn't have to deal with all that in the same day. Okay, so this is my little lazy braid down. I just do 4 braids instead of like 10 going back, and I sort of braid them coming down from the middle part because it makes the top of my head look flatter. Okay, there we go, last thing. My hair does really good with oil on my scalp. It just doesn't look good if I put it on curly hair, but it's great for braids, so. And then the last thing I do is just make these in front a little bit smaller so that, like, I part this section smaller so that the braid is skinnier, and it just makes my head look flatter from the front, so it's great for wigs. But yeah, this is my braid down, and I'll just crisscross applesauce the braids in the back, and that's it, slap the wig on. Okay, so I start like this, and then I just tuck the little braids in the back. And then I kind of pull it back far enough to where I can pull my edges out. That I just feel like is the biggest part of this hairstyle. This is what is like the focal point of it. And this is kind of like make it or break it too, if you can make this wig look real. Okay, 5:42. I got 10 minutes. All right, here she is. That's the inside. And then these little strappy parts, this is what's gonna close in the back. I'm just gonna, okay, so I just hold it with the headband up first and tuck my little braids under and then bring it forward. Voila. Okay, we're halfway there. It does have these little clips in it like most wigs, so you can put it in the right place. My advice with this is tuck it in a little bit further forward than you would think. No, that's too forward. Okay, my advice with this, tuck it in a little teeny bit more forward than you would think. I think the headband looks best when you fold this little thing back, so just like account for that. This is my little widow's peak. I'm gonna leave that out to do my edges, but yeah, that's where we are. Okay, and then my little side comb. Voila. And then my last one. Okay, so I know that it looks really forward, but that's because I feel like this band is too thick. So I like to do it a little forward and then flip it back. See, so just trust me, it's gonna come together. Okay, and then these are the straps that just sort of connect on the back. Oh, is there a comb back here? Oh, there's another comb. And then I think you just strap it in there. Okay. It's on, it's on, it's on, it's on. I kind of even like it like this, like covering my, no, never mind, never mind. I'm not doing too bad on time, guys. Okay, so now I just kind of like make sure the hair isn't tangled up in the strap. Now it's time for edges. This is my product of choice today. Kiss Edge Fixer. My brain is just malfunctioning. See how I just flipped that up and it just, I don't know, it just helped the look out. When it comes to edges, I'm pretty extra with it, I'm not gonna lie. So I kind of like to do it and then tuck it under. You see the maneuver there? You have to brush and tuck. Brush, rub, and tuck. Okay, full grown adult hairs, I'm curvy here. Okay, that's just too big. Oh, you know what? I probably should have done my edges first. I was just too excited to show you guys the wig. Okay, do you see how the look is just coming together second by second? What are we at? 5:51. Got 9 minutes. All right, so this is what we're looking like. Okay, I'm basically done. Oh, water. Last step is just to add some water to kind of make these curls drop. I love this wig. I mean, this looks like it came out of my head. This is it. This is all I do. All I do is spray water on it. Like, I wish my hair was like that. I wish I could just spray water on my hair and go. All right. I haven't tried any hairstyles with it, like half up, but I just feel like that's doing too much. So I don't know. I feel like a headband and all your hair down is a natural looking hairstyle. And I'm trying to look natural, so this is the look. I have 5 more minutes, so I'm gonna figure out what the heck I'm gonna do for my outfit. But as far as makeup and hair though, yeah, I'm there. Dang, oh, my eyebrows kinda. Okay. Oh, I'm just realized you guys aren't gonna be able to see it dry before I leave because it'll probably still be drying in the car right there. But I will show you how it all held up at the end of the night. Kitty, get down. Sorry, yeah, I will give an update when I get back and show how the hair looks actually dry. But yeah, I'm feeling good. Hair done, nails done. I feel like a complete different person from how I looked when I first came on here with them with them cornrows in my head. Okay, let me go put my coat on. Okay, I'm almost done. I just can't decide what bag. We're going ice skating and then we're going to dinner. I'm wearing all black and this suede, I guess probably brown. But the black would bring out, yeah, brown, definitely. Oh, here are the shoes. Shoe cam. I don't know if the shoes match the coat. I just know they're both suede, so they're gonna match tonight. Okay, it's 6:01, I definitely need to go. Well, I'm about to head out. Here's the final look. All right, how do I look? Do I look like an ice skater? I'll try and take more videos tonight, but this was what, like 10, 12 minutes? Where's the back? Where's the back? Where's the back? Ooh. Okay. See, it's only when I'm in a rush does stuff like this happen. First my nail, now my earring, then the purse. It's just dilemma after dilemma. Okay, see y'all later. Bye. I feel so cute. 30 inches. Aw. A little up close, a little up, yeah. All right, I just got home. It is now 11 p.m. and I'm about to take my makeup off, take a shower, and go to sleep. But I did remember I said that I was gonna show you guys how the hair dried. So, oh, hi, kitty. Hi, baby. Hi. Look how big this guy is getting. So purry. Hi. So here's how the hair dried. I feel like it looks so natural. You cannot tell me this is not coming out of my head. This is my hair. I loved it tonight. It lasted really well. Oh, I did lose an earring, but my nail stayed on. And I mean, I was out there picking up some air. So I was gonna put some mousse in it to give it a little extra curl, but I just ran out of time, to be honest. All I did was put water in it today. This is honestly the perfect curl pattern for me though. I feel like it's not super perfect, which kind of helps it not look fake to me. But it's also not frizzy or messy. I don't know, it just looks natural. I like it. I like that I didn't have to straighten literally any of my hair like I usually have to for a V part, or if I simply wear my hair straight, or if I got a sew-in or whatever. I really like that there's no gluing and spraying and blending and melting and putting concealer and making a fake part, none of that. I really feel like the only thing you have to do for this wig is like spray a little bit of water on it and then do your edges, of course, but that was really it. I have not tried putting a frontal on, you know, like when it has a fake hairline basically, but it just looks like so much work, and quite frankly, it looks like a lot of room for error. I don't know, I might have somebody install it on me and then like show me how to do it. I'm scared to just try it out by myself. But yeah, this is the wig. I wanted to make sure I got a video of it dry before I took it off. I'm about to take it off right now, honestly. Our fun has come to an end. I don't really have any sort of headache. I feel like when I wore my V part, it started to get really heavy up top, and I just don't feel like that's good for your hair, for you to feel heavy. So last but not least, I want to treat my scalp after all of that, especially just where I put those clips in. I don't know, the front where I did a lot of brushing. I just want to care for my hair. I'm back to my braids, the real me, and here is my little wig. Okay, and then the very last thing I wanted to share. The last thing I wanted to share before I wrap this video up is the super duper mega supreme lazy way to put on this wig, which is just on top of a slick bun. This is what I've been doing recently if I just have barely any time, like I'm talking 5 minutes. Today I had this Lancome makeup sponsorship I had to complete, and I just didn't feel like doing my whole hair because it was just a makeup video. I was too lazy to even put this wig on. I didn't feel like putting the 4 braids in. So I figured this was a great, I don't know, little tip to share for people who really know nothing about doing hair. This is a judge-free zone. If you don't know how to cornrow, that's okay, because there's still options. Cornrowing is pretty easy though. I definitely suggest learning how to do it. It's super helpful. Like whenever I have kids, I'm never gonna take them to the salon. I'm just gonna do their little baby cornrows for them all the time. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I put this wig on. It's crazy, I don't know how I got away with it. But I did my 3 combs. Da-da-da. I did remember to do my edges first this time, which really made a difference. I guess I should have said the lazy ways to do a braid. I felt like a braid got a little bit flatter than an actual ponytail in my hair. I did it when I got out of the shower and it was soaking wet. I would suggest doing that because it's easiest to brush down really flat. But yeah, just to show you guys, since I did it off camera, I just did it like this again and stuck my braid to the side. That's it. And then I put the wig on top. Like, I love this thing. I'll say this, I'll do it this way when I film content at home and like I just want my hair to be done really quick. But I feel like if I'm going out, I'll probably just take a little extra time and put some braids in, because I do feel like the wig stayed a lot more secure, like it stayed in one place. With this one, I feel like it was kind of sliding back a lot and I had to readjust the combs And it's probably just because my head is really, really smooth since there's no braids. But I also feel like this time the wig looked a little bit flatter because there's no braids like coming down the side. So I don't know. I can't say which one is better. I just know this way took a third of the time. It was probably 3-4 minutes to put this braid in, 2 minutes to put that cap on, and 5 minutes to put the wig on. Like, I love it. I love this wig. What can I say? I hope you guys don't cancel me because I'm playing around with all these wigs and these straight styles. And my channel name is Curly Strands, but sometimes you gotta venture out. One thing I never do is sleep with edge control in. I just feel like it's like super gluing the hairs to your face and they probably break off in your sleep, like rubbing on stuff. So anytime I do my edges all elaborate like this, I take some time to just put some castor oil, some coconut oil, vitamin E oil, something, and like kind of pull my edges back and then wrap it up. I feel like that habit has been protecting my hair up at the front and keeping my edges really thick, because I try to avoid edge control already, but like for a hairstyle like this, I mean, it's just part of the look, so you have no choice. But I do try not to overdo it. I try not to put like, you know, brush my edges all crazy every single day, just for like super special occasions or whatever is the focal point of my hairstyle. But yeah, anytime I do decide to do my edges, I always oil them up before I go to bed, because I just feel like there's like super glued onto your head and that just can't be healthy. So